Welcome. If you've ever wanted to quickly find out which Telegram groups you share with a specific contact, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to effortlessly discover all the common groups you have with someone on Telegram. Let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, head over to your chat list. If you already have an ongoing conversation with the person, simply tap on that chat. If not, use the search bar at the top. Type in their name or username and select their profile from the results. Once you're inside the chat, look at the very top of the screen. You'll see their profile picture or their name displayed prominently. Tap on either one. This will open their profile page. On their profile, you'll notice a horizontal list of options. Here's where the magic happens. Swipe through this list until you see the option labeled Groups. Tap on it. Now you'll see a complete list of all the Telegram groups that you and this contact are both members of. This makes it incredibly easy to keep track of your shared communities, whether you're coordinating projects, planning events, or just curious about your mutual interests. And that's it. In just a few taps, you can view every group you have in common with any contact on Telegram. No need for third-party tools or complicated searches. Telegram's built-in features keep things simple and secure. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might need a quick refresher. For more tips and updates on using Telegram and other social platforms, stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.